Before we go further, I'd just like to make a very brief introduction about Shruti Ranjani and how it came to exist. Today's recital, we would mainly like to highlight the compositions of Sri Meenakshi Sutta, also known as Bangalore Nagaraja. Born in the 20s, he moved to Bangalore in the 40s, studied engineering, but ended up working with the State Bank of Mysore. A very religious and pious person by birth, but it was only later in life that he had some kind of a spiritual calling and started composing kirtanams on his Ishta Meenakshi, and other Hindu deities as well. And he has composed over 200 songs in Sanskrit and Kannada. Kannada, of course, he was fluent with because he lived here, but he was not a Sanskrit Pandit. So he got his verses verified by a Sanskrit scholar, and the report that came was that they were exquisite in their content, literary as well as grammatical. So those are the kind of compositions that we would like to very briefly showcase to you today. And as we go further, I'd like to throw a little more light on how the group was formed and who brought his compositions to the forefront and other such trivia.
Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmir Puravasini Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmir Puravasini Mamaham Prarthaye Nityam Vidyam Buddhim Cha Dehi Me, Vidyam